Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner from Austin here, and today I am going to be saluting on Maxi, AUTTP, ATHDTC, / Lanilla is cutie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maxi, AUTTP, ATHDTC, / Lanilla is cutie. Wow, this user rocks, and this user makes great videos. Subscribe to this user, guys. Subscribe to this user. Yep, he also makes great videos. Yep, he makes great videos. He also made Joel Armstrong Exposed, which is good. He also makes some comfort videos. He made a comfort video out of Shining Starko, and he also made a comfort video out of my best friend Gaming Master, which is really nice. And he also made an angry message to Dr. Manhole UTTP, ATHDTC, and King Liam Jacob Riley UTTP, ATHDTC. Yep, so this user is amazing. Subscribe to this user. Do you know who loves this user? Me, Gaming Master, Shining Starko, and the other users. We all love this user, and I don't know who hates this user. Yep, so Maxi, AUTTP, ATHDTC, / Lanilla is cutie is awesome. And so does Spyro the Go Animator 2020. King Boogeyman UTTP, ATHDTC sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel.